everyone, welcome to MiniMakers. Today we are going to be exploring an engineering activity. We will be making a catapult. A catapult is used to launch things called projectiles. A catapult is a simple lever. It works by transferring weight along a pivot point. This right here is going to be our pivot point. Now, levers are a part of our everyday lives and we may not even know it. For example, a pair of scissors is a lever. Other levers include teeter-totters, bottle openers, and tweezers, or a pair of tongs. Pretty cool. Let's get started. Once it's done, have fun launching objects to see how far they fly. All right, let's gather our supplies. We have 9 craft sticks right here. We have 6 rubber bands, and we have a plastic spoon. Okay. First, we need to take 7 of our craft sticks and lay them out one on top of the other. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. We're going to take one of our rubber bands and we're going to tie it tightly around the end of our craft sticks. There we go. Then we're going to take another rubber band and we're going to wrap it tightly around the opposite end. Now all of our sticks are going to be bound together. Okay, set that down. We have 2 craft sticks left. We're going to take the last 2 craft sticks and we're going to wrap a rubber band around just one of the ends. And we want to wrap the rubber band as close as we can to the edge of these sticks. There we have it. We now have 2 bundles of sticks. We have a larger bundle and we have a smaller bundle. We are going to take our larger bundle and we're going to insert it through our 2-stick bundle. Spread it apart like that and we're going to slide it right in. Slippery little guy. There we go. I'm just going to hold it like this so it stays in place. Okay, now we have 2 rubber bands we're going to take. And we're going to wrap them in a cross fashion to get our pivot point. Oops, slipped. Let's try that again. All right. I think if we hold it down like that, that is going to help us. Okay. There we go. There's one. Another crisscross. All right, there we have it. Finally, we're going to take our plastic spoon and we want to attach it by wrapping our rubber band around it to just the top of our 2-stick bundle, as you can see, just that top stick. Okay, let's wrap it. Nice and tight. All right. There we have it. Our catapult is complete. Now you can practice launching objects to see how far they will fly. You can use some mini marshmallows, small pom-poms, or even some small balls, whatever you have that you would like to launch. So, how does this all work? All things use energy. When you pull back on the top of the catapult to launch an object, there we go. Or a projectile, you are creating energy by putting stress on the rubber bands, our pivot point. When you release the catapult to throw the projectile, you are releasing the energy you created from the catapult into the projectile. This allows the projectile to fly through the air. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a catapult. We'll see you for our next video.